Hello my friends, welcome to Prime Strings. I'm Henriette and this time we're playing Waterfall. I'll play it for you first. This is one of my favourite songs in the whole book, and it's really quite easy to learn, although it looks a bit challenging, but it isn't really. So what I'd like you to do before we start is to test that second finger before we get started. So I'm playing on the E string, E. As we've seen before, if the first note is in tune, you're much more likely to play the whole song in tune. That's why we're testing it. Now our fingers go 2, E, 1 on A. So let's go really slowly, shall we? 1, and. That's it. Let's go up to here straight away. Now on your crotchets, I want you to use a half bow this time. And on every minim in this piece, I'd like you to play a whole bow. Now at the end, there's also a semi-breve note. That also gets the whole bow, except your bow goes really, really slowly. So let's play it again from the beginning. Test your fingers. And now we'll play 2 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you've done it correctly with your bowings, you should now, at the end of the last E that you've just played, finish here at the heel of the bow. If you by accident have got your bowing upside down, you want to see if you can fix that first, right now, when you're early on in your learning of Waterfall. So see if you can play half bows for every crotchet and a whole bow for every minim. In the meantime, we're going to carry on and we're going to learn lines 3 and 4. So will you join me? Test your first finger on the A string. Here we go. 3, 4. For your nose. Well done. So you've probably noticed that in line 4, they're not 2 the same bars as your first 2 bars in line 4. One ends on the first finger and the next one ends on the second finger. So let's try these 2 bars again, shall we? We're playing the last line and then only 2 bars. Ready? And 2. Let's do that again, shall we? And well done. Very, very good. Now let's practice the long last note, the E, and we're going to count to 4 on that long last note E. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you're going to share out 4 beats equally among the bow, you need to make sure that you're about halfway after 2. So shall we try that again? Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Lovely job, well done. So let's play it from the beginning again, and let's go a little bit faster this time. So test your fingers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Lovely playing, well done. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so now. Any comments? Do write them in the comments section below and I will get back to you, I promise. Goodbye.